I have used a lot of earbuds over the past few years, but this one from JBL is very different. Now there is a feature with these earbuds which is super unique and very useful. Yes, I am talking about the smart charging case with a display. Now when I first saw this product, my instant reaction was like, why? Why do you need a display on a charging case of a pair of earbuds? But then I started using the product and found the display to be useful and super cool. And JBL is one of the first ones to do it, so they definitely have the first movers advantage. Now apart from the display, these are premium earbuds which do have some cool features in terms of sound quality and microphone. I've been using these earbuds in the past few days, and well, it's time to share my thoughts with you guys. Also stick around till the end for a sweet surprise. We'll start with the smart charging case. Now this is like a normal charging case. You can place your earbuds in and then they will charge. But it also has a display on the front. Now this is a 1.45 inches touchscreen display which can be used to control a number of things. See, the fundamental idea is to have quick access to the most used controls. No need to pick up your smartphone every time you need to change a particular setting. You can just do that from the display on the charging case. I'll give you a few examples over here. Say you're getting a call. You can quickly answer or reject the call right from the display. Same goes for messages. You can get notification of messages right on the display. And obviously you can control the volume and music right from the display as well. If you want to play, pause the music, go to the next track, previous track, everything can be done. I think this is super useful for traveling because when I travel, I put my smartphone in my backpack and then I'm using my earbuds. In that case, if I want to change the song or adjust the volume or change the ANC mode, I can do that just with the charging case. Now there's also an equalizer which can be accessed right from the screen. JBL has done a very good job in terms of the equalizer presets, which we will get to in a bit. But the point is that you have quick access to change the sound output. Normally in other earbuds, for this you will have to go into the smartphone app and then change the equalizer. So I think you get the point of the display. And JBL has done a good job with the overall UI and use case of this display. I do have a couple of feedbacks though. First one is with caller ID. You cannot see who is calling. You will just get a notification that incoming call. You can answer the call or reject the call. Caller ID would have been great. Maybe JBL can implement that via a software update. Now as far as the overall case goes, it doesn't feel bulky. It feels like a normal case, and that is a good thing. It has a USB Type-C port on the back for charging and also supports fast charging. I think 10 minutes of charge will give you 4 hours of playback. That is super convenient. And wireless charging is also there. To bottom line it, the smart charging case is actually smart. These are stick-style earbuds with silicone tips. I prefer these type of earbuds because the fit is amazing and snug. So while walking, working out, running, etc., these earbuds won't fall off. Also, you do get replaceable ear tips inside the box. You can choose whatever fits you the best. And these earbuds are super lightweight. It doesn't feel like you're carrying a weight on your ears. Now, there is a fit checker tool by JBL which you can use to see what type of earbud will suit you the best. Stick open, stick closed, or a bud design. You can check which one to go for so that you have the best experience. I will make sure to drop a link to that tool in the description box below. Alright, we come to a very important point, sound quality. See, the charging case has a display which is a very cool and useful feature, but above all, the sound quality should be good. So how is the sound quality of the JBL Live Beam 3? Well, these are premium earbuds and they do sound like it. There are 10mm dynamic drivers with support for LDAC and high-res audio wireless. I really like how these earbuds sound. Out of the box, you get the Harman signature sound, which is very well balanced for music as well as for movies. Mids and highs can be heard clearly with a good amount of bass punch. See, the overall sound signature out of the box is great. And there is an EQ which can be used with the JBL headphones app. This EQ allows you to customize the sound exactly how you want it. There are equalizer presets which have been tuned in a very good way, and we can play around with the settings to create a custom preset as well. So above all the features, sound quality is top notch. Now these earbuds also have support for spatial sound. You can turn on this feature to have a more immersive experience. It will feel like the sound is coming from various directions. But to be honest, this highly depends upon the song or movie that you're watching. If the audio coding is done right for spatial sound, then you'll have an immersive experience while using the spatial sound feature. Now, what about the mic quality? There are 6 microphones on these earbuds and the audio output is amazing. For calls specifically, they have very interesting features. There are voice effects which can be used to enhance the mic output and also cut out wind noise while traveling. Also, if you take one earbud in your hand and keep it close to your mouth and whisper softly, the person on the other end will be able to hear everything clearly. This is particularly useful when you want to share some confidential information over the call, but you don't want anyone around to hear it. Normally in earbuds, there is only one control for noise cancellation. You can either turn it on or off. But in these earbuds, there is true adaptive noise cancellation. There's a lot of control for the level of noise cancellation needed. This is super useful because not always you need the maximum level of noise cancellation. So I like the fact that JBL has given us the control of the level of noise cancellation. Smart ambient mode is also available, which will allow you to hear everything and be more aware of your surroundings. This is useful while walking on the road and listening to music or talking on a call. You need to be aware of your surroundings. Battery life is something that is very important because now there is a display that is to be powered. JBL claims a battery life of 48 hours, 12 hours with the earbuds and 36 hours with the case, so 12 plus 36, 48 hours of battery life. Now this is with ANC off. In my testing period, I found the battery life to be excellent. I was getting somewhere around 8 to 9 hours of battery life on a constant basis, which is very good battery life. Initially, I thought because of the display, the battery will drain faster, but that is not the case. Now one great thing with these earbuds is the JBL headphones app. It's filled with features to customize settings. You can customize the sound, microphone, noise cancellation, everything. Also, there is a very interesting feature for microphones. You can choose sound effects for both people, the person using these earbuds and also the person who is on the other end of the call. So if you find that the person on the other end is not sounding clear, you can change the sound effect of that person, and that is super useful. There's also the voice level optimizer. These earbuds are IP55 rated, so no issues for dust and water. There's also access to Google Finder, which means you can locate these earbuds with the help of Google's network. See, the main thing with these earbuds is the display, but even without the display, the sound quality, microphone quality, noise cancellation, spatial sound, everything is awesome. So if JBL sold these earbuds without the display, even then they would be amazing. So the fact that these have a display is an extra bonus and a super useful feature to have. What about the pricing though? Normally these retail for somewhere around rupees 14,999, but as I said in the beginning, there is a sweet surprise. You can use this code, that is JBL X Technolobe, and get rupees 1,000 off extra. So I'll make sure to drop a link to the product page in the description box below. Now this will be valid for purchases up to 31st October, so there is a lot of time. Go ahead, use this coupon code and share this coupon code with your friends and family as well. See, all in all, if you were looking for a good pair of premium TWS earbuds, then these are definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you liked what you saw. Subscribe to the channel because that would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.